Oh, hey anyone, my name is Ivan. My nickname is Fan, I guess. Well, today I will talk about Charles. Like, you know, he have the counter, but how? You just click and wrong mistake. I always forgot. To the fight. Oh, with the dummy. Yeah, well, well, the starting aspect of my favorite basic. Now I will how why is it like that? He's getting rework. Why? Second about what sound weird. Why you not change it? Okay, that's good. I wonder how to black flash. I'm not know about black flashing. Like how to black flash. I was figuring out how to black flash for myself. But you know what? I don't know. When something was to put you back. I can't wait to test some black flash. Oh, sorry. What is this? What is this? Update. Okay, this I got. I did a new ability and player from form check moveset if fix a lot of bugs. Why the bugs? Well, don't mind that. And it's laggy, but uh, let's go to day 3.
Hello! I'm Verity, your personal helper friend. Ask me anything. I know everything.
Damn. How they can make this? Well, why is it this
I am gonna touch you!
hell not choosing that. Nah, not going to she's not mine. This moves the stuff. That's better. Good. And the ball is still man, I can move this ball. Well, soon charge, my favorite moveset. Yeah. Mm, okay. So let's just say good. I like that. On lag. Okay. Breakfast is that a bit breakfast flakes. Okay. Well, I need to go now. Bye.